Hello learners, notice how the little boy is trying to iron a shirt? These irons run on electricity which generates heat. It is this heat which eventually makes our clothes crisp. But how does this conversion of energies happen? Time to take a closer look. Our objectives are 1. To understand the heating effect of an electric current. 2. To study its practical applications. We all use appliances like electric irons, room heaters, hair dryers, etc. in our homes. We know that all these devices work on the principle of converting electrical energy into heat energy. To understand more about this principle, let us perform a simple activity. Take a piece of thermocol sheet and fix 2 nails on it. Nichrome wire is tied between the 2 nails. These 2 nails are connected in a circuit having a cell and a switch. Initially, when the switch is off, touch the wire. You can feel that it is cool. Now, turn on the switch and let the current flow through the circuit for a while. Next, switch off the current and touch the wire. What do you observe? The wire has become hot. Hence, we can understand that when an electric current flows through a wire, heat is produced in it. This principle is called the heating effect of an electric current. Let us see some practical examples of this principle. Consider a simple circuit which consists of a battery, a bulb and a switch. Initially, when the switch is off, touch the bulb. You can feel that it is cool. Now, on turning the switch on, the bulb glows. After some time, touch the bulb again. This time, you observe that the bulb has become hot. Can you guess why this happens? We have already studied that a bulb consists of a filament. The filament is actually a metal wire. So, when an electric current flows through this filament, it gets heated to the extent that it starts glowing and emitting light. Due to this heat, the bulb also gets heated up and we can feel the heat of the bulb on touching it. Next, an electric iron is made up of a coiled wire called an element. When the electric current flows through this element, it gets heated up. Because of the heat produced, we can use electric iron to iron our clothes. Similarly, in the case of an electric heater used for cooking, we can see the element externally. You will notice that the amount of heat produced in these appliances is different. It depends on the material of the wire, its length and its thickness. So, depending on the requirement, wires of different materials, lengths and thicknesses are used. Some examples of the devices which convert electrical energy into heat energy are immersion heaters, hot plates, electric kettles, geysers, etc. All these appliances consist of an element in them which gets heated due to the current flowing through them. To summarize, when an electric current flows through a wire, heat is produced in it. This principle is called the heating effect of an electric current. The amount of heat energy in a wire depends on the material of the wire, its length and its thickness. Many electrical appliances such as heaters, hot plates, electric kettles, geysers work on heating effects of electric current. By now, we know a lot about electric circuits, don't we? So let me ask you a simple question. What would happen if too much of electric current starts flowing through a wire? Don't worry, we'll find that out soon.
Keep imbibing. We believe in you.